Hello, welcome.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Iman Siar.
And how old are you, Iman?
I'm 20 years old.
Okay, where are you from?
Croydon.
Okay. Your parents and your friends supportive?
Yes, my friends are at the back over there.
Iman, are you going to sing?
Yes.
Okay. So how long have you been singing for?
I would say from about 3-4 years old, and
Right.
the first picture I have on stage is about I was 5.
Why did you decide to enter Britain's Got Talent this year?
I think it's one of the biggest platforms out there, and I've been following it since I was a little kid. And my dream is to inspire the Muslim girls in my community.
All right, good luck.
She just wants to be beautiful, she goes. I know that she knows no limits, she craves attention, she praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark, and you should know you're beautiful just the way you are. 'Cause you don't have to change a thing, the world could change, it's hard. No scars, so you're beautiful. You don't have to change a thing, the world could change, it's hard. No scars, so you're beautiful. No better you than you that you are. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. You don't have to change a thing, the world could change, it's hard. No scars, so you're beautiful. With stars, we're beautiful.
Thank you. I'm so proud of her.
There you go, man. So you just made that song your version.
Thank you.
I know this is a big deal. This means more than you can express right now, but believe me, we felt it. We felt it within the way you interpreted the song, and you did it such justice. And I love this humility about you. It's gorgeous, so well done.
Thank you.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you.
You've got one of those voices that really draws you in, makes you listen to every lyric. That was a very special performance.
I just love you because I just think when you came on the stage, you're so positive and optimistic and gorgeous, and you confidently sang that song. So congratulations, because it was perfect.
Thank you.
You've got a great energy about you, I have to tell you. And you're very humble. It's going to be one of these auditions which I'm going to remember.
Thank you.
And actually, I do believe there's more to come from you. I really do. I really like you.
Thank you.
So, now the important part. Let's start with David.
I'm going to say yes.
Thank you.
Definitely a yes.
Thank you.
It's a yes from me.
Here's the one that counts. 4 years.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك.